Hey everyone, welcome to STEMtopoly. This video is part of our Science at Home series, where we do science experiments using everyday materials found in your home. And for today's experiment, we'll be dyeing flowers. For this experiment, we'll need cups filled halfway with water, straws to act as your stirring rods, flowers with white petals, celery, different colors of food dye, and scissors. First, take our flowers and trim them so that only the flower and the stem are left. Then, we'll take one of our flowers and split the stem in half, just like this, so that one side can go into one vase and the other side can go into another one. Now, we're going to take the food coloring and add 6 drops of each color into each bottle of water. Finally, we're going to be adding the flowers in these 3, and we're going to be adding the celery into these 3. Now for the last flower, we're going to have it split into 2 colors. So for each of the halves of the stem, we're going to stick them into the water. Now, we leave it for 24 to 48 hours. Now that it's been around to 48 hours, let's take a look at our plants. For the flowers, we can see that the color that we originally put into the water has now reached the edges of the petals for each one of the flowers. And for the celery, you can see that the colored water has traveled all the way up the celery to the top, where you can see dots of the color we put into the water. Also, for the flower put into 2 different colors of water, we can see that it has one color on half of its petals and one color on the other half. To help us explain how this happens, we need to take a closer look at the celery. Now, taking a look at these pictures of the celery, we can see that vertical strands appear inside the stems of the celery, and these vertical strands are colored with the same color that we put in the water. These strands are called xylem, and these occur in plants from the roots to the petals of flowers or to the leaves of other plants. In this case, the colored water goes through the stem and to the top of the flower into the petals, and this shows the transportation of both water and nutrients throughout a plant. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to learn more about this experiment, click our website link down in the description, and we'll see you in the next one.